Hello friends, welcome to Sharon Cuisine. Today I am going to make fruit cream. It is very easy recipe. Even children can make it. You can also have it during your fast. So let's check what the ingredients are. The ingredients are Amul fresh cream, papaya, mango, apple, banana, pomegranate, grapes, sugar powder, almonds and cashews for garnishing, tutti frutti, 1/3 cup milk and red chili. Let's start making the recipe. First of all, we will take our 1/3 cup of milk and add 3 tablespoons of sugar powder and mix it well. Now we will keep it aside. We will take our Amul fresh cream stir it for 2 minutes. Friends, we don't need to add all the chopped fruits at once because they will turn black. So we will chop them turn by turn and add into our mix. So let's start chopping and adding them. You have to add it turn by turn. And mix it well. Now we will peel our apples. Now we'll start chopping our apples. Now we will add our apples to our fresh cream and mix it well. Little thick, so we will. Now our fruit cream has turned a little thick, so we will add our milk mixture. Just mix it and then add. And now we have to mix it well. Mango. Now we'll start chopping our mango. Add it in the mixture. And mix it well. Now our batter has turned a little thick, so we will add our milk mixture again. Now we will add pomegranates. Cashews, almonds, and mix it well. Now I will put all of the milk mixture. If you think that after eating the sugar is a little less, then you can add sugar powder. But here I am not adding. Now we will garnish it with our Tooti Frooty, cashews, almonds, and cherry. Now keep it in refrigerator till it gets chilled. Now our fruit cream is ready. It is very tasty. You must try this recipe. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my recipe. Thank you.